Hi, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to use the booking form and redirect settings in OnceHub. The booking form and redirect section lets you define the meeting subject, choose the booking form your customer will see, and set up the redirect options after a booking is made. You can also skip or pre-populate the booking form when the customer data is passed through your sharing links or publishing options. Let's see where to find this section in OnceHub. Once you're logged into the OnceHub account, click on Booking Pages from the left sidebar. If you are using a booking page that is linked to an event type, for example, I have a booking page right here that is linked to one event type, this setting will be available directly under the event type itself. We'll click on the event type, then select Booking Forms and Redirect, and the settings is right here. If you are using a booking page that is not linked to any event type, for example, I have another booking page that is linked to 0 event types, this setting will be available directly under that booking page itself. You will click on the booking page, then go to booking form and redirect. Let's see in this section what settings you can configure. First is meeting subject. You can choose whether the meeting subject is set by you as the owner or by the customer. If set by customer, it will be a required field on the booking form. Please note that any booking pages that are linked to an event type, for those booking pages, the subject defaults to the name of the event type and cannot be changed. Next, you can configure the booking form. From the drop-down menu, you can select the booking form that are created within your account. If there are none created, you can create a new booking form or use the edit option to edit your current default booking form. You will be able to see the preview of your booking form that is selected currently. Next, you can configure the redirect options. This setting controls what happens after a booking is completed. For example, if your setting is turned off, customers see a confirmation page with all the booking details. If this setting is turned on, customers are automatically redirected to a page of your choice, such as a thank you page, a payment page, or a page with tracking codes for marketing campaigns. Separate URLs can be set for scheduling, rescheduling, or canceling. You can also use automatic redirect when embedding the booking page to your website. And that's it. Now you know how to manage the booking form, meeting subject, and redirect settings in OnceHub. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.